Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up?
You okay?
Yeah, why?
I heard crying.
Oh, is someone crying? We should go help them.
Look, man, I know you're going through the breakup with Maureen, and you can talk to me. Like, you can cry and...
Yeah, just long sneeze.
A long sneeze?
Yeah, long sneeze.
With, like, moaning and tears?
Yeah, sometimes that happens. Maureen! Maureen! That was a big one.
Oh, that was another sneeze.
Yeah.
You said Maureen.
Allergies.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah. Maureen.
Rena, what are you doing here? How did you even get in here?
I'm here to help with the long sneeze.
The long sneeze, guys. He's crying.
We all have things to sneeze about, fatty.
Fatty? Why are you calling me fat?
Fat fuck!
I'm not a fat fuck, man.